welcome to On the House with Addie House in my house. Today's guest is Rue and Jones, and we're making chocolate pumpkin muffins. To make chocolate pumpkin muffins, you need maple syrup, cinnamon, chocolate chips, pumpkin puree,
oats, baking soda, eggs, original Greek yogurt, and don't forget about the salt. For the first step of making chocolate pumpkin muffins, you're gonna have to have 2 cups of oats and pour it into the food processor or blender, and then you blend it for 10 seconds. You get a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of salt and you dump it into the blender.
To put a cup of pumpkin puree and 6 ounces of Greek yogurt into the food processor.
The next thing you need is 2 eggs. You crack them and put them in the blender. Now it's time for the half a cup of syrup along with a teaspoon of baking soda.
Now you blend all your ingredients together. Now add in your preferred amount of chocolate chips and mix the batter together. Now that your batter's ready, grease the pan with Pam.
Hey, that's my mom's name.
So spray and wipe. And don't forget to get the edges. Now fill your muffin tin halfway full of batter.
For the final step of your chocolate pumpkin muffins, you check them, and then you put them right in the oven at 375 for approximately 20 minutes or until golden brown.
Now take your muffins out of the oven and let them cool.
Lastly, we can enjoy our great chocolate pumpkin muffins we made. We deserve this. Good work!
Happy Thanksgiving, Sandpoint High!